Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy Elliott. Today I'm going to go over the 40 skills that are needed to become a 1%er. So let me explain this. So if you're new to my channel, I call a 1%er the guy that stays above the crowd, right? That is a loner. The guy that literally continues to train every day, that focuses on mindset, skill, closing, negotiations, persuasion, influence. Somebody who wants to become a high achiever, go to deeper waters, play with bigger fish, and develop their game, okay? So this is called player development. If you don't have player development, you're not going to be a 1%er by default. You're automatically going to fall into the other 99% that are struggling, okay? And if you are struggling, listen to me. The 40 skills that are needed to crush it and to make it selling cars, I built my 0 to 100,000 fast car sales training course off of this foundation. Why? Because these are the 40 skills that I believe when I made 700 grand plus a year selling cars that I developed and that actually took me through the way and helped me not only crush it, make a lot of money, but just constantly crush my competition everywhere around me. So let's get into this. I'm going to start from the very beginning, which is going to be mindset, and I'm going to finish to the very end, which is going to be on the phone, okay? So as I go through this, if you notice a skill set that you're like, man, you know what, I'm not great at that. Do me a favor, pause the video, get a pen and paper, write it down, okay? Don't just let it pass, write it down so you can focus on and work on it. And then, by the way, if you want help, text me 918-210-0254. If you're struggling, I'll help you, okay? Let's rock and roll, and here we go. So we'll start from the beginning. This is the mindset of becoming a high achiever. That is a skill. The challenge ahead without more skill. No new skill, progress stops. You end up going backwards. Life doesn't stay the same. You're either getting worth more or you're getting worth less. All right, the winning attitude every day. How to give 1,000% every single day. To have that ability, you have to train on it. All right, how to crush the fear of failing. Oh my gosh. How to believe in yourself 10 times more. How to increase performance overnight. How to manage and assess your skill set. How to be honest with yourself and really decide what you're great at, what you're not. You don't need to lie to yourself. Time spent at the dealership. How about this? Make more, less time. It's called ROI. It's called return on investment. All right? How to make the commitment to become the best. Raising standards and goals to hit high targets. We never move the target, okay? We change the action, but we never move the target. All right, teach discipline and changing your inner game. It isn't about the outer game, it's about the inner game. The way you see yourself, it's the way you'll move. How to learn your entire inventory overnight, okay? We all know this. The salesperson who knows their inventory the best makes the most money. Guys, putting people in the right car right up front so you can maximize profits, all right? How to start your day every day to be successful. The statistics. If you don't know the statistics, no wonder you're not making it. And if you do know them, are you following them? The statistics I put in my course are unbelievable. They're from NADA 2020 convention, 2019 convention. You got to change your thinking, okay? I go over goal setting, your 24-hour schedule. These are skills you have to crush. Goal setting, 24-hour schedule, daily sales plan, tracking goals and performance. How to crush it on Craigslist and Facebook. Guys, people are still selling 20, 30 cars a month every single month off Facebook and Craigslist. It's hot, but you can't be a one-timer. You got to do it every day, okay? All right, so meet and greet, fact find, qualify. Look, how to be a lead at building common ground, okay? How to build a best friend in 2 minutes. If you can't build a best friend in 2 minutes, if you're not a lead at building common ground, I mean, that's an issue. I teach in my course how literally I made the money that I made just by making people love me, because you start building trust all the way at the handshake. You can't ask them to trust you in closing if you can't build trust at the handshake, all right? So let's build the best friend in 2 minutes. I'm talking about needs and wants versus the dominant buying motive. Budget and credit questions. I'm going to talk about pros and cons, skills. This is a skill. Pros and cons to pulling credit fast and then sometimes pulling it too soon. Sometimes you need to pull it early. Sometimes you need to stay away from it. Vehicle selection, landing someone on the right car so you make the right profit up front. Ask great questions, get great answers. How great are you asking your questions? That's a skill, okay? Product presentation, right? And presenting the vehicle. How to crush a walk around, for real. Test drive, demo ride. how to do it differently than your competition. You don't think everybody's been on test drives? Of course. Are you doing the same as they did across the street, or is there something special and unique? Let me teach you the way I did it. The way I did it's different. No one does it that way. Guess what happens? When you do things differently than other people, you get different results than other people, okay? All right, that's the actually definition of entrepreneurship, okay? Game-changing trial closes. I give you my 4 best trial closes. Trade-in evaluation. If anybody has seen my video, I put out the course video 13. It was on the trade-in evaluation. Watch it. Go to YouTube. Type in trade-in evaluation, Andy Elliott. Go to that. I put actually one of the course videos out. Take a look at that trade-in evaluation. That'll give you an idea what the rest of the course looks like, okay? Just on that right there. So right up. This is called setting up the sale to max out profits. How to present the pencil, right? So you can close them right out the gate. How to pull cosigners on every single customer. If your manager says they can't buy, you need a cosigner. Hey, they need a lower payment, right? Customer says, hey, I need a lower payment. I can teach you how to pull a cosigner every single time, so that way you can advance your deal, or actually when you don't have a deal, get a cosigner so you don't miss a deal. Okay? And then how to get cash down on the pencil. Every single time I'll show you how to get cash down. Closing and negotiating on payment, price, trade-in. You know, I'll get back with you. I need to think about it. All the objections. Look, if you're in this business, you have to be able to overcome these 5 common objections. I didn't even go into all of them that I put on the course, but I'll get back with you. I need to think about it. The price is too high. The payment's too high, and I want more for my trade. If you can't crush those 5, those are the 5 we get every single day. We're not even talking about advanced closing. When someone says, I think the price is too high, guess what? You should have no fear. If you have fear, guys, get the course and get over it. Get over it. Let's elevate our game. All right, so we're talking about closing. We're talking about phone training. Become like Alcatraz on the phone. No one escapes. Like Alcatraz, guys. Okay? I'm going to teach you how to own them on the phone in 30 seconds. I'm going to teach you how to crush follow-up calls. How to get anyone back in when you miss a sale. I'm going to teach you the best next day follow-up calls you've ever seen in your life. Taking incoming calls, how to be different. Look, when that phone rings, ring, ring, and then you sound like the guy that was across the street, don't be surprised when you get a fake appointment and nobody shows. Be different. Let me teach you how to dominate it and crush it. Also, how to close anybody, anytime, any place on the phone. These simple 40 skills will change your life. And I don't want to overwhelm you. If you're sitting here and you're like, oh my God, man, I mean, I just started. I'm thinking about getting in the business. I've been doing it 3 years. I'm struggling. Hey, maybe you've been doing this for 30 years, right? And you're sitting there and you're like, you know, that's a lot. Watch this. I have a 14-hour course. 0 to 100,000 fast car sales training. 14-hour course. 21 sections. It's yours for the rest of your life for $299. You know what you do? You watch the course every single day. You take one section. If you did a section a day, it would take you 21 days to go through it. I would recommend going through it and then going back through it again. That would take you almost 2 months, taking off on Sundays. Do you know what that would look like? In 2 months from now, you would be trained up on all this and had gone through the course twice. If you think about it, the difference between where you are now and where you want to go is the gap in your skill set. Guys, whether you get the course or not, these are 40 skills that you must have to crush it. But what I'll tell you is, the worst decision you could ever make in your life is not making a decision at all. If you think you have more potential to make more, what are we talking about? Take action, let's crush it, and let's team together. Guys, have a blessed day. Stay warm. I'll talk to you guys.